All right, it's Friday, January 12th, just following up on the SPY. You can see here it is continuing lower. Bought some puts here on, bar number 2 in the beginning of bar number 3. We paused a little bit. Now we're heading lower towards those pre-market lows. So I just scaled out to set up a no risk trade. I bought those 480 puts at 442. I just scaled out at 520. Up to about 529 right now, 530, almost a point higher here. So it's total no risk trade just to see what unfolds here as we kind of work down. Like I said, we do have a target possibly to these pre-market lows on the daily chart. This is a beginning of a 2-up failure, where we kind of take out the high of the previous day, come to the midpoint of that day, maybe get down to the low. The only tricky thing is this is kind of a big buying tail from yesterday, so I don't know if the midpoint of this day is going to hold or not, and that lines right with the bottom of the pre-market range. So anyway, it's total no-risk trade just to see what unfolds here. Given this opening price action, it looked like we were going to get a little follow-through lower, so now at no risk, I get to kind of see what unfolds here on the 15-minute chart, let price action lead the way. In the big picture, we got the weekly chart reaching its target, but maybe wanting to pull back a little bit at the end of the week here. And yesterday was kind of an interesting day where we had the broadening action, the higher highs, the lower lows. Now we made the higher highs, and this is broadening maybe the lower lows again. So you could be getting, again, higher highs, lower lows, and now we made our higher high, so maybe we can be coming back through the range again. You never know. So this will be the target down here to start. And we'll just see if it gets there, and then from that point, see if maybe we get another big failure, a 3-bar. We got a 3-bar yesterday. Maybe we'll get a 3-bar today back to the downside. So no risk right now, but it could hold in this area as well. But pretty good trade, I think, buying the puts here out of the gates, just given some of the logic in play and the end of the week kind of thing and the failure to start the session.